guys, my name is Chase Betts, and today I'll be showing you how to lift a Lego truck and put spacers on it. Okay, so I'm going to use a different truck because I don't want to mess this nice truck up. So first thing, you want to take off the wheels, okay? And now look at the size, like that right there. Okay, so you gotta find what fits it. Like this little block, or if you have the big long one, put either one of these blocks. Like that. Okay, so first step is you want to put that on there like that. Okay. Second step, you want to do it with the other wheels. Put it on there. Okay. Now you take your truck. No wheels. Okay. So you find where the wheels go. So I'll actually show you what they look like before they're lifted. Okay, like that. Not lifted. That's not. Now I'm going to show you when it's lifted. This is lifted. Okay, so the next step. If you have the right pieces, you can put spacers on a truck. You need this type of body, kind of like that. And you need the type of truck that could fit on here, okay? So like this truck, this F450. So, got the smokestack on it. You just slap that thing on there, kind of like that, okay? Now it has that. Now, got that. If you want to lift, you could add a lift on it, but I'll show you that after this, how to put a lift on it. So, you put the wheels on. Okay, here it is. So this is not lifted, it's just this part under here makes it look like a little bit. Okay, and for this truck, you could take off the wheels and add as many of these as you want, and then it could get higher and higher. So that's all for this truck. Now, for the rest of this truck, I showed you how to put the spacers on, and I'll show you how to put the stack. So you take one of these little things, you can put it wherever, on front, back, out the back, like a exhaust, that, put it like a stack right there, that, put it anywhere basically. And then now, if you want to lift it, you take off the big bed. Oh, never mind, wrong bed. You can't do it with this truck. Well, if you can, if you don't want spacers, you could take it off. So if you take the wheels, if you take this bed off and you put the wheels right here on to these things, and then put them onto the truck, and then you could do the same thing that I did to this truck, and then go as high as you want. Okay, thanks. Thank you guys for watching.